It's now mid-November. The temperature has dropped to close to zero most days, and we've had one reasonable snowfall, but nothing that has stuck around yet. You know, I think about this nearly every day. Hokkaido gives me so much to enjoy, from my job to the endless number of things I'm able to do and see just a stone's throw from my door. I feel like my cup is constantly overflowing and there's not enough time to even try to stop the faucet. There's this time of year, around now, when the flow into the cup slows a little. It's too cold for camping and there's too much snow for hiking, but not enough for snowshoeing or skiing. Between the autumn colors fading and while the sky still holds onto the snow, I wait patiently in the great in-between. As the sun dips below the horizon earlier each day, the pace changes a bit. I busy myself cooking with the vegetables of autumn and spend time with friends indoors. It also gives me time to just sit and think about things. The year so far, where I have come from, and where I am going now. It's been a difficult year, for obvious reasons, but so rewarding for me. I made a lot of new friends and so many great memories this summer. We packed so much camping, kayaking, and hiking into the short season that Hokkaido allows. I also spent more time on filming the adventures I had, which I really enjoyed. In August, a few of us camped on the shores of Lake Kushiro in East Hokkaido. We barbecued, drank beer, went swimming, and watched the shooting stars at night. It's a trip I can never forget. During the autumn, I chased the changing foliage and pursued mountain peaks nearly every weekend. Well after the trees had dropped their last leaves, we still managed a couple of mountains, the tops already white with winter. Things in my life have got so much richer over the last year, despite the challenges. Right now, that cup is still overflowing with no sign of stopping. As I wait for the snow to come and I sit a while and think, I feel deep down that I've been exactly where I need to be. See you soon.